Welcome to YouTube channel. In this video session we will see how to clean free filter of RO water purifier. Free filter is a part of RO water purifier system. It is an important part because it prevents entry of dust, sediments present in the water up to 5 microns which may pass to the main RO filter system. After use of this free filter for some period, depending upon the total dissolved solids present in the main supply water, we need to clean this free filter. So let's see the inlet outlet connections of free filter. This is the inlet port to which water from the main supply goes to the free filter, and this is the outlet port from which water from the free filter is passing to the RO unit for the further purification. In order to clean the filter, we have to remove the filter from this unit. So for that we need to use this kind of spanner. Let us see procedure of cleaning the filter. So this is a RO unit with free filter. So here we can see this is a blue color. This is a knob which regulates the water quantity passing to the free filter. From the free filter, this water goes to the RO unit for purification, and this is the impure water that is removed by the drain pipe. Now close this blue color knob switch, so water quantity passing to the pre-filter will be stopped, and switch on this button so that some water from the pre-filter will go to the RO system. Thus it will reduce the pressure inside this free filter. Now switch off the button after 10 seconds and press this collar like this and remove the connections. So as we removed some water from the pre-filter, thus it became easy to remove this connection because pressure inside this pre-filter is released. Now you can see this pressure inside the free filter is completely released. Now it becomes very easy to move this unit or open this filter unit by holding this way head against the wall and move this spanner in this way. Then take this pre-filter unit on the platform, and now we can see this is a used filter. So it has much part of sediments and mud which is on this outer layer of this filter. So first of all, clean this unit with clean water properly by washing this unit below the clean water. After that, then we will clean the filter. So for cleaning this, take some water and put it on platform and use this procedure of cleaning the filter. So hold the filter in both hands in this way and hit slightly on the platform. Hit this frequently to the platform. Thus we can see this dust and mud which is present in the filter will be removed. Wipe out this mud and dust by clean water. After cleaning platform, then secondly you follow this procedure, hold this filter below this tap and close the lower end and allow water pass to this filter. Thus again it will help to clean this filter properly. Then repeat the procedure twice or thrice till we find good filter or much quantity of dust and mud is removed from the filter. Then wash out this filter below the clean water. Follow this procedure. So by following this procedure, up to some level this filter is clean. It is not clean completely, but up to some level. See, this is the inner core. Still it is, we can use this core, means up to that mark impurities are not reached. So we have to clean this filter before reaching this inner core mark or impurities up to the outer ring, means before completely becoming this filter dirty, we have to clean so that it will increase the life, because in this way we can prevent the entry of dust and sediment which are passing or which may pass to the RO unit. Thus life of RO unit also will be increased, because membrane is a major part of RO unit which is very costly to replace it, so its life is increased. So for that, if we clean the free filter properly and on the regular basis in a month, then it will save the money of the maintenance of RO filter system. So thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for videos. Thank you.